Good morning to all the childrens. How are you today? Let's continue our lesson. Today you will learn to solve the number sentence involving subtraction of two values of money and the summing up to 10,000 ringgit and three values of money and the summing up to 10,000 ringgit. I want to ask you, did you ever accompany your parents doing shopping? And did you show them does the payment? Sometimes they use the bigger value of money to do payments. That's why they need to take the balance. Do you know? To get the balance, we need to do subtraction. So today you will learn about subtractions of money. Now look at the first example. From the picture you can see that a guitar and a piano. The price of a guitar is 760 ringgit and a piano is 3,800 ringgit. The question here is, what is the difference in price between the piano and the guitar? So the difference means you have to do subtractions. So the bigger value here is 3,800. Have to minus the smaller value, which is 760 ringgit. So the method you have to use is 3,800 minus 760 ringgit as your number sentence. So as usual, you have to use standard method. Again, start from the value at the most right. So 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 6, 0 is smaller than 6. You have to do regrouping at the 100 place value like this. So borrow from 8. So 0 just now will become 10. 8 will become 7. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 7, 0. 3 minus nothing is 3. Because we are talking about money, make sure you write RM in capital letter. So the difference between the price of a piano and a guitar is 3,040 ringgit. Now we move to example number 2. Okay, by looking at the picture, we can see that a father was comparing the electricity bill and he find out that the electricity bill was going up and he tell his children to save the electricity. Okay, the difference between the two bills was like this. We have to do subtraction. So the number sentence is 296 ringgit and 40 cent minus 187 ringgit and 60 cent. Okay, by using the standard method, again start from the number at the most right. So 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 6, 4 is smaller than 6. Borrow from 6. Now 4 will become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Again, be careful the decimal. Put in the right place. So 5 minus 7. 5 also smaller than 7. You have to borrow from 9. Now 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. Don't forget to write RM. So the answer for this question is 108 ringgit and 85 cents. And for example 3, we want to calculate Encik Zaki balance if he pays 700 ringgit for these two goods. Okay. From the picture you can see that he bought a children's storybooks and a pen. The cost for children's storybook is 638 ringgit and 80 cent, and then the cost for a pen is 95 cent. So we want to find the balance, so we need to do subtraction, and then you have to get ready with the number sentence like this. So 700, this is the money Encik Zaki have, minus with the cost of the children's book, it is 638 ringgit and 80 cent, and then minus a pencil, it is 95 cents. So 700 minus 638 ringgit and 80 cent. We do subtraction between these two numbers first. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 8, 0 is smaller than 8, so you have to borrow from 7 here, okay, and then put all 9s there before it come to 0 here. So this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Don't forget to align down the decimal. Okay, 9 minus 8 is 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Don't forget to write your RM. Bring this figure, 61 ringgit 20 cent, up to minus 95 cents. So 95 cents in RM is, you have to write 0.95 cent. Again, start from here. Because 0 is smaller than 5, you have to borrow. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 minus 9, still small, have to borrow. Now 1 become 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. So 0 minus 0, 0. Before that, don't forget decimal. And then 6 minus nothing, 6. And again RM. So the balance of Encik Zaki is 60 ringgit and 25 cents. Okay, we go to example number 4. This subtraction of money is involving unknown. So to find unknown of subtraction at the front, you have to use addition. So you have to plus these two numbers by using standard method like this. Again, start from the number at the most right. So 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 6, 15, carry up 1. Don't forget decimal. So 1 plus 8 plus 7 is 16, carry up again 1. Okay, 1 plus 5 plus 3, 9. 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus nothing, 2. And then RM. So the answer for this unknown is 2,596 ringgit and 50 cent. Now let's try to answer this question together. We go to question 1A first. Okay, this one is also subtraction of money. Again, start from the number at the most right. So 7 minus 7, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 9 minus 6, 3. 1 minus nothing, 1. And then don't forget to write RM. It is easy, right? Okay, now we move to 1B. Again, 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. Don't forget decimal. 9 minus 0, 9. 0 minus 4, 0 is smaller than 4, so you have to borrow. 0 now become 10. So 10 minus 4, 6. 7 minus 5, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. And then don't forget RM. So that's all for today. I hope you understand about the topics. And I will see you again in the next class. And thank you.